I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
We've got a great preview of an awesome condo complex. Don't go anywhere.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we are going to tell you about some of the things that we love about the Sugar Beach condo complex over here in Panama City Beach.
Yes, we're going to give you the top 5 reasons why Sugar Beach is awesome. Not to mention, it's just right here in the middle of Panama City Beach, walking distance to multiple restaurants,
Yes.
right? Multiple different nightclubs if you want.
Hershey's ice cream shop
Yes, it's
is
right
just
here.
down the road, and
Yep.
I pretend to take my daughter, but we all know that what the truth is. There's
right.
longboards, there's newbies, there's the Brick and Barley pizza shop, all kinds of fun
There's
stuff.
even some fast food for the kids while we go get the good stuff.
In fact, you probably could just park your car if you came to visit, and there's so
just
many
walk.
places to go to.
Absolutely, because you've even got some fun kid stuff right here in walking distance.
So stay tuned and check out everything that we love about Sugar Beach. There is always something to do
Yes.
over here at Sugar Beach.
Yep.
Notice the tennis courts have been recently resurfaced,
As have the shuffleboard right next to it. It's beautiful.
and we're walking over this pedestrian bridge right now. And what I love is all the green space here. There's
Yes.
plenty of little nooks to relax along property.
Yeah, and if you want the kids to just go play outside in the green space while you're making dinner, it's perfect.
Or
It's safe.
take the dog out for a quick
Yes.
walk. This is a super pet-friendly community.
We're gonna say it over and over.
Probably, yes.
Because
yes.
there aren't that many that
Yes.
are available. So every resort's gotta have a pool.
Yes.
And a clubhouse here.
I like how close the pool is to the beach access.
Yes, you can actually go back and forth. Sometimes the kids just get run down with the salt water and the waves that are coming and, just dunk in the pool. Or back to when you're cooking, one parent can take them to the pool.
Get that BLT after too much time in the sun.
That's exactly right. But they've got a great pool here, and I love how close it is to sand, like you said.
So one of the things that I love about this property, we're overlooking a very relaxing koi pond, all
Yes.
part of just the natural green space at this property, and it's low density.
And
Talk about that.
yes, low density. So what that means is it's only got about 100 units. You don't have to worry about elevators. Some of these resorts, they get backed up and clogged up in the season, and you gotta wait for the elevator. You don't have that here. You can just walk right out of your property and walk right down to the sand. That's great.
It is fabulous because
Yes.
if you need a quiet vacation rental, or if you need a relaxing beach getaway,
Yep.
or if you just want the condo life in Panama City Beach to be your jam, Sugar Beach has it all.
You walk out to the beach.
So one of the things that I've noticed about how they've manicured and landscaped this property is it just adds to how pet friendly it is.
Oh, that's one of the best things about this property. I mean, it's in the top 5, right? Because not many complexes allow guest
Huge.
pets. Huge.
Huge. I mean, I can think of only a handful.
Yeah, usually
So-
only owners. So here, allow your guests to have pets.
Yeah, if you are a furry friend parent,
Yes.
Sugar Beach is the place to be
For
by
babies.
far.
That's right. So, for more information about Sugar Beach Condominiums, look in the description below. You've got some links down there. I'll put a little extra special links from around the area so that you can find out all the details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel,
Yep.
thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future updates like this one.